Yeah. So Dipendra, actually, the thing is, I am from a non-IT background. I
Hmm.
am from ECE, and usually, in my earlier years of career, I have done MTech also. So actually, my prioritization is to go for a government job, but that doesn't happen. So I switched to IT.
Okay.
So initially, I didn't get many projects in Infosys, but in 2020, I got one project, and that is of RPA, Blue Prism. And since then, I have switched into RPA only, and I'm earning a good amount also in it. But the thing is, now I'm not getting opportunities in Blue Prism at all.
Correct.
Although I have, you can say, a ground knowledge of both UiPath and Power Automate, but I haven't worked on,
Any use cases or real time projects?
yes, and also I haven't cleared any certifications, but I need to thoroughly study for that.
True.
I can say that I'm not very good at those tools,
Hmm.
but I know that I have to go there, study those tools. But the problem is also like nowadays I'm listening that more and more things are towards the AI. And in the UI path also they are asking questions about AI. So like I am just confused, or you can say a little apprehensive as to how I study, as
Hmm.
to how I keep myself braced with the new technologies, and how should I do it, how should I progress towards that direction.
Yep, got it. I think it's a problem with majority of people who want to transition from RPA. So the first thing, as you called out, Blue Prism, the adoption of Blue Prism is now declining. So there's no point in continuing with that technology or that platform. So it's always better to use your foundational knowledge, because every other platform at the end they're doing the same thing, it's just calling out different names. So
Same.
for you it should not be that hard to upskill in UiPath, Power Automate, or automation anywhere, whatever it is. So for that you can lay out a plan. First you have to do the basic certifications on their academy. If you are going with UiPath, it's their academy. Then you have to practice, keep on practicing with your personal use cases. You will not get industry level use cases at your disposal. For
Yeah.
that you have to work in an organization only. All that you can do is on your personal capacity, whatever is possible. Like you cannot automate use cases or learn on SAP, but you can still practice it on ServiceNow, because ServiceNow offers you a free developer instance.
Okay.
And then Salesforce. So the interaction, how you interact with one application will be similar to SAP application also. So pick an alternative, right? That's what you can do. And then there are few courses also. People have created courses on SAP automations. Try to learn from them. I mean, if you're not finding free resources, definitely first you should go with free resources, just to find out what you want to learn and from whom you want to learn. If you like it and you want to deep dive, then go for those paid courses.
Okay.
So that is one path. You have to plan it. You have to give yourself a timeline, maybe 3 months, 6 months down the line. This is what I want to achieve. That is for switching your RPA platform. Second thing, in AI, so you have to upskill. There is no other option. And it is going to be a technology for the next decade, I believe. But that doesn't mean that your RPA knowledge is waste. Single handedly with AI, you cannot do things. You can build automations, you can code something to make decision or to reroute your automations, but you cannot do automation at the moment using any of the AI technology.
Yeah.
They are in process of doing stuff, but eventually for RPA folks also it took a while to come to this level, right? This maturity.
Hmm.
So for
Hmm.
in AI also, if they are doing some interactions, they will also take some time to build that component, that RPA like component into their AI platform. It will take very decent amount of time and to stabilize it. The business is what they will do. They will leverage these platforms and use AI technology. They will not shift towards AI completely just to build their automations, which is not viable option also, or not feasible also. So to learn that, what is relevant for your automation, first you have to learn Python or JavaScript. Given a choice between
Yeah.
JavaScript and Python any day is
Python is
easy.
comparatively easy.
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
easy to get started.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like in automation also, it's easy to get started, but when you build complex solutions, and then it's tough, right? It gets tough. And so, but it's not that you cannot do, or
Hmm.
someone cannot do it. And then try with some frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph. So it is going to be a dedicated learning journey for over a period of 1 year. It is not like 1 or 2 months you will be able to pick it up, or nobody will be able to pick it up from RPA domain.
Yeah.
It needs quite decent amount of research, quite decent amount of consuming a lot of concepts, and theoretically as well as some practical, writing some code snippets and achieving things. So this is the journey, and this is what I am also following up currently. And then you pick it up. So in AI, like in RPA, we have these platforms, right? In AI, eventually there would be some low code platforms
Mm-hmm.
that help you. So the all these RPA vendors, what they are doing, they are integrating AI features in their platform as in a form of a low code platform, because they know their audience. Their audience is more of a low code, right? So they are also trying that stuff. At the end, it doesn't matter, but you should know the foundation. So if you are coding a bot, you should know programming fundamentals. So similarly, if you are using an AI in your project, you should know basics and foundation knowledge of AI. Then only you will be able to propose solution, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So that deeplearning.ai is one good site, and then Andrew NG course from Coursera for ML and for machine learning and AI. So these are good resources, free resources to get you started.
Okay.
Once you find interest and want to deep dive, again the same principle applies there. Then you find out and invest. First,
Okay.
always try with free resources.
Hmm.
That would be my advice. So first and foremost priority for you is like you have to switch your platform,
Yeah.
either UiPath, Power Automate, or Automation Anywhere, whatever you decide, whichever you feel comfortable. Opportunities are more in UiPath, but again, competition is also more.
Yeah, yes. And nowadays I'm finding out like Power Automate opportunities are well
Yeah,
in the market also.
yeah. The only challenge with Power Automate is that you have to project yourself as a full
Full
power
power
platform.
platform.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
not only Power Automate will give you a job. I
Yeah.
mean, it will give you at the basic level like 3 4 years of experience. At that time, it may help you. But now, like if you go in a lead role or something like that, like after 5 to 6 years of experience, then they expect you to code or know about the entire Power Platform ecosystem. So yeah, I mean, all you have to dedicate is focus on one piece. I mean, if you just keep on thinking a lot of things, nothing will happen.
Yeah.
You have to first decide your tool or platform of choice that you want to transition to, and then the AI part of it.
Okay.
But
Got it.
these can go hand in hand, because if you wait for 6 months to learn AI, then you never know what will happen. Like if you will be 6 months behind already. So
Got it.
AI concept you should gradually start. That's what I would advise. Hmm.
So I have got that insight. That's all from me, Dipen. Thanks so much. Thank you.
Yeah,
That's really very helpful, Dipendra. I really like it. And I definitely want to connect with you, have further discussions because that actually motivates me.
yeah, definitely. Thank you so much. Please reach out to me on LinkedIn for any queries if you have.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
All the best.
Bye.
Bye.